Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tantech Markets. Let's look at gold now. This final chart of the day is gold, and we've still got this slight bearish bias within the trading range. No suggestion yet of a breakdown. You're still sort of on the drift on these momentum indicators. RSI still sort of back towards the low 40s as it has been sort of for the past week or so. And it certainly looks every time it gets towards the low the band, that's sort of in the low 40s. So it's still not yet broken down. The MACD line's beginning to drift slightly lower. Stochastics sort of in the lower portion of the band as well. So just generally speaking, I think that's just a slight bearish bias within the within this trading range. I'll mention once again the fact that 1178 seems to be your support around that sort of level. It seems to not really get any real closes below that, and even on the intraday levels in the last couple of days we've seen bounces off that, and this is the support here on the intraday chart. You'll see here 1178 60 odd, and then 1179 yesterday. So you'd be sort of looking out, I think, for the probably using rallies as a chance to sell on this. You've got all these intraday momentum indicators and moving averages sort of in sort of bearishly configured, and the RSI, for example, continuing to fall over around 60. It's up at 50 now, so maybe around this sort of level, maybe a touch higher is where you start to think about your selling opportunity. And the moving averages as well are all sort of rolling lower, and have sort of arguably provided a basis of resistance. Certainly the 200-hour moving average that I've got on this chart has in the last couple of days really acted as a basis of resistance as well, and that currently comes in at 1187. So it's not too far up from where we are here. So maybe this is the point at which we're starting to look out for our selling opportunities. But it certainly looks as though this chart is not really breaking down anytime soon yet, but there is still a slight bearish slide that we're seeing on the outlook. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.